Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I have a really quick Shein haul for you because look at the size of these bags. Both of them came at the same time. I ordered them separately, but boy, I realized that I went ham, ham, but crazy on Shein recently, and so I'm just gonna do a quick little haul. I'm not gonna try on everything, but let's get into some of these pieces. I don't know why I'm buying a sweater when summer come in and we live in Jamaica. Ask me now. But I've always wanted a cute little red sweater, so I saw it cheap, I got it. I love these little cheap t-shirts. They were like $5, and so there's another one. Perfect for run around town, don't it? And this little crop top outfit with this skirt. Okay, that's for my daughter, clearly. This is so cute, right? Like a little date dress. I like it, and I love me a peplum top. You're gonna see a couple more. These little rib dresses, I kind of like them for date night as well. Here's one more peplum top. These shoes, should I fix the strap or just cut it off? What do you think? Cut the strap, just a flap, a flap, a flap. They look really cute with this other peplum top though. What do you think? I really like the lace detail. I love it. This look kind of slim, boy. I'm not so sure if that blue dress is gonna work. Well, okay, I didn't expect it to be that stretchy. Look at this. With the right undergarments, we kind of sucky in the belly. Boy, I know, I have to go really sit down on the discipline. Okay, so this more look corporate. It's not quite dating, but I don't mind it. I don't have anything to wear if I have one meeting for go or so yeah, man, me kind of like a dress. It not bad, it not bad. Love me a t-shirt dress to run around town. Okay, you can tell. The little dance. I love this dress. This one is a winner. Again, it needs the right shapewear undergarments. I have on the shorts so I'm just show you my little peplum top. Love it. Alright, this need a little, if my shape good, it would have alright, but it need a little something. It need a little something. Let me see. Yeah, man. See there, make my mommy just, yeah, drawing together in that side. Yeah, man, that cute. Okay, who can talk to me? No, I've never bought anything like this. And when I put it on, I was like, wow. Alright, but me need a beach party to go today, like right now. No, sir, anyone me lose the belly weight here? You can't talk to me. What the girl said? Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. Alright, I like this. This is cute. I need a couple more. Walk through, walk out, girl, walk out.